Okay, all of you. Good evening to one and all. Okay, so welcome back to Political Science class. Today we want to discuss about a new topic, basically the formation of Janata Party and the new government. New government in India in the 1977 election. Okay, so we know that a declaration of emergency in the year 1975 that lasted for nearly 18 years. Clear. 18 years. Sorry, not 18 years. Sorry for that. 18 months. 18 months. Okay. Then Indira Gandhi declared election. Okay. A new election in the year 1977. Okay. So at that time, number of opposition parties together they joined together to create a perfect or strong opposition against the Congress government. They faced the election in the name of a coalition. Okay, all they joined together. Okay, then they made a political party termed the Janata Party. Okay, clear. Number of Congress party leaders who are, or basically they are opponent of Indira Gandhi, or they basically not able to accept the ideas of Indira Gandhi, or they fail to accept it. They are turned against Indira Gandhi. Okay, or such kind of leaders also moved to the opposition or the new party, right? Clear or not? Okay. And what happened? That's what we are going to discuss today. What happened in that election? 1977 election. Okay, so I will read the point one by one. These points are important for the examination as well. Okay, so first of all, after 18 months of emergency, the government decided to hold election in the year 1977. Think this size is okay for you people, right? It is increased there. Okay, after 18 months of emergency, the government decided to hold elections in the year 1977. The 1977 elections after emergency decisive as opposition parties fought on the slogan "Save Democracy." Yesterday we discussed that. Okay, all these opponent parties' main slogan it is against the government. Okay, or the Congress party. What is that? Save democracy. So at the time of emergency, Indira Gandhi and the Congress government they committed or number of problems they created in the country, right? Atrocities of the police. Okay, clear or not? Okay, so people turn against them. So the opposition parties they started using this slogan against the Congress party. That's what saved democracy. And for the first time, Congress got defeated. Okay, after independence. Since 1977, nearly 30 years, it is only the Congress party that ruled the center. Clear? You got to 1947 independence, right? After that, up to 1977, which party? Only the Congress party. But they failed now. All the leaders and activists were released from jail. So what happened? The new government they released all the political prisoners. Okay, and activists and journalists from the jail. All the major opposition parties came together on the eve of elections and formed a new party known as the Janata Party against the Congress. Under the leadership of, we know that, JP, Jayaprakash Narayan. Clear? The new party. Clear. Some leaders who were opposed to emergency also joined this new party. I already told some leaders in the sense that some Congress party leaders who were opposed to emergency also joined in the new party. Clear. Not just any leaders, but from the Congress party. Some of the Congress leaders also came out and formed a separate party under the leadership of Jagjeevan Ram, named and merged in Janata Party. Okay, clear or not? So Jagjeevan Ram, a Congress leader, he also came out of the Congress party and created a new party. Finally, that party also merged in the Janata Party. The Janata Party referendum to the emergency, clear or not? So basically, the Janata Party used the slogan "Save Democracy" and they asked for votes. Okay, in the name of what? What? Saving democracy against the Congress party. So referendum, the consent of the people. Its campaign was focused on the non-democratic character of the rule and on the various excesses that took place during this period. Okay, so Janata Party basically give importance for the atrocities that committed by the Congress government. Okay, and they asked to vote for that or vote against the Congress Party for the atrocities that made by or created by the Congress Party. The formation of the Janata Party also ensured that non-Congress votes would not be divided. Okay, so all the parties joined together, which means All other political parties join together, which means what is that? There is no chance to lose their votes. Everyone will give their vote for that opposition of Congress party, that the Janata Party. The formation of Janata Party also ensured the non-Congress votes would not be divided. The results took everyone by surprise, as for the first time since independence, the Congress party got defeated in Lok Sabha election and was able to win only 154 seats, and its shares of votes, not words, votes fell to less than 35 percentage. Okay, share of Congress party vote also reduced to 35 percentage. The Janata Party won 330 out of 542 seats in Lok Sabha, and the Janata Party itself won 295. Okay, to make the government nearly 273 seats are enough. Okay, but Janata Party itself got a 295, and all parties together 330 seats. So definitely they are able to make a government, right? There is no threat for the government. Okay, the Congress lost in every constituency in Bihar. No seats from Bihar, Delhi, Haryana, and Punjab, and could win only one seat from Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Clear? No seats from Bihar, no seats from Delhi, no MLA, sorry, MPs from Haryana, no one from Punjab, and only one from Rajasthan and one from Madhya Pradesh. Indira Gandhi was defeated from Rai Bareli. It is the, what we can say, 100% sure constituency for the Gandhi family. Amethi and Rai Bareli, right? They not faced failure from these constituencies. Clear? Understand? Rai Bareli and Amethi. And Indira Gandhi got defeated from Rai Bareli, and Sanjay Gandhi, her son, defeated from Amethi. Okay, Amethi is famous in the last election also, right? Right? Yes or no? Rahul Gandhi contested in that constituency, Amethi, but he failed there. But still, Rahul Gandhi is an MP. It is not from northern states, but from which state? Which state? Rahul Gandhi?
Kerala.
Kerala, of course. That also from?
Wayanad.
Wayanad. Very good, Aishwarya. Is the MP of Wayanad now. Okay. So Congress party, that much problems they faced in northern India. Okay, he lost there. Okay. So who won there against Rahul Gandhi? Who defeated Rahul Gandhi in Amethi? Find out that and tell me tomorrow. Okay, she's a famous, or she was a serial actress, and bearing an important ministry. I mean, a minister she is. Okay, let it. The Congress lost in every constituency in Bihar, Delhi, Haryana, and Punjab, and could win only one seat in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Indira Gandhi was defeated from Raebareli, as was her son Sanjay Gandhi from Amethi. Okay, both are from Uttar Pradesh, both these constituencies. The middle class from North India were beginning to move away from the Congress, and the Janata Party became a platform for many of the sections to come together. So, a number of people, basically the middle class people, they moved away from the Congress Party and they joined in the Janata Party. Is that clear? Clear? Okay, so please complete the notes. I will give 5 minutes to do so. Okay. Okay. So that's all about the Janata Party's victory. And now we want to discuss about the Janata Party, how it is formed. Okay, after the election, okay, so we'll discuss that, how the Janata Party formed and how that created the new government. After the election, there was stiff competition among the leaders for the post of Prime Minister. This is a competition. So in the Congress Party, it was Indira Gandhi. There is nobody to question Indira Gandhi. But here, it's a coalition government. Number of leaders are there from different political parties. Clear or not? With a different viewpoint. So there is a tug of war to become the Prime Minister. Okay. Morarji Desai, who was the rival of Indira Gandhi ever since 1966-67. Okay. So Morarji Desai, a prior leader, okay, he turned as the rival of the Indira Gandhi after 1966. Okay, due to various reasons. I already told you that a split in the Congress party, right? Because of that. Okay. Charan Singh, leader of Bharatiya Lokdal, another leader, Charan Singh. Next one, and the foremost leader from Uttar Pradesh, Jagjeevan Ram. who had vast experience as a senior minister in the Congress government. So he functioned, okay, or he handled or managed the Congress ministry for several years, okay, as a minister basically. So Morarji Desai became the prime minister, but did not bring the power struggle within the party to an end. Finally, Morarji Desai became the first non-Congress minister. Clear or not? I mean, prime minister. But the tug of war or the fight or conflict for the leadership that existed in that party. Okay, so that's it. Next one. Why did Janata government fail? So you want to understand? Janata Party's government that fall, they failed. Okay, so what is the reason behind that? Critics felt that Janata Party lacked direction. There is no direction, that means direction. Okay, there is no direction in the sense there is no perfect program, there is no perfect policy, there is no agenda for that party because it's a mix of different parties. Clear? So there is no perfect programs. And there is lack leadership and common program. There is no perfect leader. All are leaders. Okay. It could not bring about the fundamental change in politics from those precised by the Congress. Okay. So what Congress followed, this new government also followed the same. They failed to make changes, okay, or basic changes in the administrative system. The General Party split, and the government, which was led by Morarji Desai, lost its majority in less than 18 months. Clear? What happened? 18 months of what? Emergency. So, after that, new government came in 1977. And because of the split in the Janata Party, within 18 months, that government failed or failed. Another government headed by Charan Singh was formed on this assurance of the support of the Congress party, but later Congress party withdrew support. As a result, the government got dissolved within 4 months. Next, Congress party, they offered support for whom? Charan Singh's group, because Charan Singh was a older Congress leader, right? Clear or not? Okay, so he got a chance, was support from the Congress party, but within 4 months, the Congress party withdrew the support, so that government also failed. And fresh, a new Lok Sabha elections were held in 1980, in which Janata Party suffered a comprehensive defeat, especially in North India. So, what they told actually, they will make changes in the administration, right or not? Okay, they will save democracy, but actually they failed to manage the government. Okay, so people lost their faith on this particular party, so they faced the defeat. Congress party led by Indira Gandhi nearly repeated its great victory in 1971 and won 353 seats and they came back to power. So after 18 months, what happened? 1980, what happened? Again, who came back to power? With 353 seats, again brutal majority for the Congress party. Again, they came back to the power. Okay, so that's it. Please complete this. First of all, this one, Janata Party. What happened there? So I made an error here. So Charan Singh is the leader of Bharatiya Loktak, not from Congress Party. Okay. So today we discussed about the Janata Party. Okay. And the new Janata government in the year 1977 and what happened to that government after 18 months. Okay. Those are the main things that what we learned today. And you want to read and learn all these things at the same time, prepare for the PT test, periodic test also. Okay, guys, and it's time to wind up the session. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you.